Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are doing well. Students, in our previous videos, we have discussed about the interior angles of a triangle. Interior angles of a triangle are the angles that we mark inside a triangle. And the property was the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is always equal to 180 degrees. Hope you have understand that property and that videos and you have finished your first assignment. In this video, we will discuss the exterior angles of a triangle. Students, an exterior angle, as it's obvious from its name that it would be drawn outside of a triangle. You can see the figure drawn on this page 264. Open your books at 264 so you can see the drawn figure easily. You can see there we have 1, 2 and 3 angles drawn outside of the triangle. The names of the angles are P, Q and R. These 3 angles are marked outside of the triangle, so these 3 angles are known as exterior angles, right? And the property we are going to learn is, on this page we have an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. Students, this is again a theorem by which we have proved this property, but this is beyond your study level. You will learn about this theorem in your grade 8. We are just using this property here in this grade, right? So let's understand the property first. See this figure, you can see an exterior angle, right? It is drawn with the side BC, Now, what's the opposite side of BC? You can easily see the opposite side of BC is AC, right? So the opposite interior angles of D would be, opposite means the angles marked with the opposite side, right? Because D is with the side BC and the opposite side is AC, so the opposite interior angles of D would be angle A and angle C, right? Opposite interior angles of angle D are A and C. So your property says that your exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum. Sum means addition. Sum means to add, right? Sum means to add, and your theorem says your exterior angle would be equal to the sum. The sum means the addition of its interior opposite angles. So D degrees, angle D would be equal to the sum. Sum means addition of its opposite interior angles, and opposite interior angles are A degrees and C degrees, right? So angle D would be equal to sum of angle A and angle C, right? Let's revise. What are the interior angles? The interior angles are the angles that we mark inside a triangle, and exterior angles are the angles that we mark outside of the triangle. As you can see this triangle, in this triangle we have A, B and C. These 3 are the interior angles and D is the exterior angle, and the property we are going to use to solve the sums is an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. So as you can see, D is the exterior angle. It is marked with side BC. So the opposite side of BC is AC. So opposite interior angles of D would be angle A and angle C. So angle D would be equal to the sum of angle A and angle C. So basically this is your property that we are going to use to solve the sums. Hope you have understood the property. Now let's see how we can solve the sum using this property, right? Now I'm going to solve an example for you. Your example is, in the figure ABD is a straight line. You can see ABD is a straight line, right? And angles on a straight line always add up to 180 degrees, right? Now what you have to find out, you have to find the value of A. As you can see, A is the exterior angle and we have two interior angles, 53 and 48 degrees, right? 53 and 48 degrees. Now the property says your exterior angle. What's your exterior angle? It's 8 degrees. Your exterior angle is equal to 8 degrees. It would be equal to, now you can see 8 degrees is marked with the side BC. So what would be the opposite side of BC? Yes, it's AC, right? It's AC. So opposite interior angles of 8 degree would be 53 degrees and 48 degrees, right? And our property says sum. So for sum we will always use an addition sign, and our opposite interior angles are 53 degrees and 48 degrees, right? So the answer would be 101 degrees, right? So 101 degrees is our exterior angle. So 8 degrees would be equal to 101 degrees. Hope you have understood the property and you have understood how to solve the sum. Let's revise the property again. The property says an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. And you all know interior angles are the angles that are marked inside the triangle, and exterior angle is an angle that is marked outside of the triangle. Hope you have understood today's lesson, and after watching the video, your assignment number 2 is solve question number 4 of exercise 11A. This is your assignment number 2. After watching the video, you have to solve this assignment. If you face any difficulty, watch the video again. Still, if you have any issue, you can contact me. I'll try to resolve your problem. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.